Hey there, bakers. Today in our Profit Mixer visit, we're going to take a look at the dashboard. Like, what is all this stuff and why do I need it? So, when you subscribe to the Project Profit Mixer, Project Profitability is a tool that comes with your subscription. So, what does that mean? What do I get? So, since this is a training account, it's not connected to QuickBooks, so I can't go into great detail. But look at these captions. This is where you can find out all your information based on how your company is doing. I mean, how amazing is that? So you can see where you stand, basically, how much, cash you have based on, what your projects have brought in. It's a great thing. What else is available? Okay, so there are other things that are available that are for purchase that you go over to your menu and you look at tools. So this is basically a dashboard that contains your tools on how to run your business and analyze things that are happening. So when we go to the tool tab, you can look at all these great things that are available and the difference. So what's budget to actual insights? Look at all this stuff. You can see what you're budgeting for, setting budgets, for income and expenses, and your QuickBooks chart of accounts. Great things. Cash availability. What's in there? Pressing question on every designer's mind. How much cash is mine? Think about that. Especially in this day and age when we're using retainers, which technically your retainer account isn't yours. What you take out of it, if you do a markup on a retainer, for instance, if you do a receiver retainer and you mark up your receivers invoicing like 25% or something, that money is yours. But the actual little blob of money in a retainer is not. So this is another tool that can help you, run your business. Monthly employee profitability. If you have hourly employees, how much are they making for you? Based on, what their overhead is. Price change analysis. Profit Mixer price change analysis fills the gaps between your project management system, whether it's our proprietary system or industry. So basically that means you get the proposal and the invoicing done and they've paid, and then you go to place the order and the price is a little off. This will show you where all those things are in one great step. Project profitability is included. It's great. Vendor insights. You can look in to see which vendors are best, you use best for your business. So if you love this particular vendor, you can rate them. How much did you spend annually with that vendor? What is the pricing like? It's a tool that you can use to go back to that vendor and say, hey, I spent X amount with you last year. Don't you think it's time that I get a little better pricing? Great. And then website health analysis. Let's move me. There we go. And, well, boy, that didn't help, did it? Debbie, get out of the way. So every aspect is running properly from the back end. So you can look into your website and make sure that it's set up to actually benefit your business and not just be something out there because you have to have it. It's a great thing. So the dashboard is where you keep all this fun stuff. I did not talk about Agent X. So as you know, we have the cute little Gigi over here, and she is our AI assistant who knows everything about Profit Mixer as well as bakery processes that you learned. So if you want one that's more customized to you, you can have your own personal AI agent through Agent X. They can do things that are so unique to your business, such as searching for, what project did I use the purple plaid fabric from? Things like that. And, even searching through vendor websites. Like, I'm looking for a purple plaid fabric. You know what? Then we can find it. And she can help you, and it's customizable based on how you run your business. So that's just a little look at the dashboard and how you fill it with tools that suit your needs.